is far too heavy to haul ourselves. Spare me a moment, will you? Folks say war's broken out by the ironworks. Most merchants have started to keep their distance. Can't say that I blame them. So I dared to take a contract when no one else would. But then, out of nowhere, a wild shot blasted the timber station to pieces. At this rate, I'll never meet the delivery deadline. I beg you, can you see to restoring the station?